Turn your light on.
Okay.
Naka-auto ka na ba?
What do you mean?
Yung sa ano mo ito? Naka-auto?
No.
Ayan. Naka-off yung ilaw mo kanina. Iiwan mo lang sa
I
auto.
thought... Wait.
Yan, headlight. Headlight yan. Yung isa, park lights. Yan. Auto mo na lang parate.
Okay.
Tapos, okay, signal light. Okay.
Dala mo temporary license mo, di ba?
Huh?
Dala mo yung license mo? Okay.
I don't know how to use this license, so...
Wait.
What am I waiting for?
May handbrake ka.
I don't know.
Step on the brake. Tapos hila mo ng konti. Pag hila mo, tsaka mo siya ipe-press.
Oh.
Yung,
Release, oh.
yung kotse mo, under pa rin, maski naka-handbrake, pero masisira yung ano mo.
So hard.
Ayun na. Okay.
Okay.
Sige, keep turning. Huwag ka muna mag-go. Huwag dahan sa gas. Ikot ka ng ikot. Let go of the gas.
I'm not on the gas
Oh,
at
yeah,
all.
on the gas. Oh, preno pa na, tapakan mo pa na. Stay on this lane.
Yeah.
Stay on this lane.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yan yung gitna ng lane, no? So stay in here.
Shut up.
Fine. Tataka naman yung preno, eh. Sige. So tapos tanda mo yung pataas na yung gano'n, yung incline, bago bumaba, pumreno ka. Oh, dito ka uli sa right.
Yeah.
Dito ka pa.
Yeah.
Kinakain mo yung...
See, I don't like this thing where you have to
Why?
wait. Like,
That's fine.
I want the
Ganun
traffic
talaga
light.
kasama yun, eh. Okay.
okay, tell me, wait, which way are we going?
Kakanan, right.
Okay.
Wait,
Oh, wait.
paglapas nitong kotse na to. Okay, go. Slow sa gas. Preno. Yeah, slow sa gas, hello. Okay, go. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I went here
Return
and
the
it was
key.
like 15.
Okay. Return the wheel. Yeah, okay. Keep going. Dahan. Steady yung tapak sa gas. Steady lang yung tapak sa gas. Sundan mo lang siya. Yeah, sundan mo lang yung lane. Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
It's
stop!
okay.
Don't drive near me, guys.
It's okay. Kaya nag-advance na siya sa'yo. Ay, nag-overtake siya.
But I thought you're not supposed to drive over those lines.
Yeah, you're not, but it's okay. Alam nga, hindi ka na niya binusinahan. Okay, tapos...
Left tayo.
Which lane?
Yeah, may settle, oh. Preno ka na, preno. Slow. Sige pa, konti pang preno. Wala ka na nakikita mo yung gulong niya?
Yeah.
Okay, stop here. There you go. Oh, signal light. Kasi magla-left turn tayo.
Do we go on the right lane or the left?
No, middle lane ka pa rin.
Oh, there's 3 lights
Yeah.
over there.
Basta sundan mo lang yung pag-ano ng kotse mo, yung curve.
Wow, this is scary.
Alright, it's okay.
Parang nasasanay ako dun sa kotse niya. Oh my gosh, Dada, do you know? I parked sa driveway.
So what do you mean?
Yung kotse ni auntie, I parked on the driveway. On the thing. First try.
Anong kotse?
Yung kay auntie.
Yung Hyundai?
Yeah.
Pinag-drive ka rin ni auntie mo?
Yeah.
Galing school?
No. From like the bottom of the hill.
Papauwi?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Remember, you're turning left, huh? But follow that line, yung jagged line.
Yeah.
Keep going. There you go. It's okay. Keep going. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Turn. Turn.
Sumobra ka.
Oh, this line?
Yeah, turn.
Okay.
Tapos dito sa lane na to. Dito ka na sa lane na to. Keep it center.
Yeah.
Keep it center. Keep it center. Relax. Dahan-dahan ka. Pumreno ka. Masyado ka mabilis.
Okay.
Yan, relax. Pag mo preno. I didn't tell you to stop. Keep preno. Yan. Okay, slowly. Bitawan mo yung gas. Bitawan mo yung preno. Keep going. Sorry. Okay. It's all fine. Okay, stop. Full stop. Yeah. Okay, there you go. What?
He doesn't trust me.
No,
He's holding on it.
Pag emergency, no? Nahihirapan ako sumiksit yung kamay ko. Eh. Okay. Oh. Sige lang, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Oh, preno. Yan. Okay, go. Waiting. Go. Slow. Sige lang. Kahit na bagay, tumalayo ka na kagad sa lane mo. Yeah. Sige lang. Stay in your lane. Oh, good job. Tingnan mo yung gulong niya. Kikita mo. Oh, malapit ka ha. Hindi mo kita yung gulong niya.
No, I see the bottom of his car.
Masyado
Gulong.
malapit.
Oh. You said the bottom of
No, sabi ko kanina, usapan natin yung gulong. His tires. Tandaan mo parati yun. Kasi pag may emergency, sabi ko nga, madadali tayong makakaalis. Hindi ka may stuck sa kanya.
Hi guys. Oh my gosh, nobody's behind me. Thank gosh.
That's fine. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi siya, tinitignan niya kung ano yung ginagawa mo, kaya importante lang sa'yo, mag-signal light ka. Kapag binagawa ka niya, kasalanan niya yun.
Do you like the photo na sinend ko sa'yo?
Eh, sino yan?
Etong babae si Aishani. Hindi ko siya friends, pero like we're like mutuals.
Kabuti nakita ka.
She was like, "Were you driving at Walnut Creek last night?" And I was like, "How did you know?" And she was like, "Cause I think I saw you and I took a photo." I was like, "That is me."
Siya, is she driving?
No.
Not yet.
Nasa kotse rin siya.
Yeah. Kasama niya yung family niya. What is this one?
Ano yan eh? Distance alert. Pag malapit ka.
Ah, I should have that on.
No, mag-alert yung sasakyan.
Oh.
Magbibip pag masyado kang malapit. Pero wag mo muna i-testing sa kanya. Baka mag-alert kasi. Baka kala din natutukan mo siya. Na dito ha, yung paliko nito sharp ha. So dahan-dahan ka sa liko. So keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh, turn. Mabilis ka, preno. Turn!
I'm turning.
Kasi sabi ko turn. Kasi pumasok ka sa lane na to. You have to be in your lane, okay? Hindi ka pwedeng tumatawid ng ganun. Slow down, masyado ka mabilis. Slow down.
Slow down.
30 ka na.
I'm at 30.
No, nagpo-40 ka na eh. Keep going. Keep going. Stay in your lane. Kumakain ka dito eh. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane.
Parang bike lang, be. Kung nasan kang diretso ka lang.
Go. Step on the gas a little bit. Ito ka mabagal. Gas, girl.
Oh, I thought we were lining up with those people.
I will tell you when. Okay, slow down. Ngayon naman, mabilis ka. Signal light right.
Freak, I can't
Wag na.
reach. Oh my god.
We're too late. Sorry. Okay, go straight. Okay, go straight. Okay, signal light right. Okay, shift to this lane.
Tingin sa ila.
Good job. Stay. Tanggalin mo yung signal light. Slow down. Slow down. Nasa 40 ka na. 15 or 35. Okay, slow down. Okay, good. That's good enough speed. Okay, keep going. Masyado ka nang magbaga. Now you're down to 20. Huy, go!
Okay.
Go. Keep 30, 35. Ganyan. Sabihin ko naman sa'yo pag-stop eh. Or slow down. Start to brake. Start to brake. Slow. Okay, keep braking.
I see his wheels.
Okay, good
Good
job.
job.
Perfect. Ano na ba to? Keep going straight. Minit na ba yung tenga mo? Basta importante. Oo. Pag nakita mo yun nakailaw siya ng brake, dahan-dahan ka rin. Baka tamaan mo siya. Okay, go eh. Make sure you clear it. Okay, good. Good job.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay. Relax. Inhale.
need Mr. Lee.
Why?
I do better than Julie.
Kasi pumaparelo siya sa'yo, hindi mo napapansin. So, kaya ngayon, wala kang assistance. Okay, ngayon, makikita mo yung kotse sa harap mo. Yung distance mo lang, yun ang importante.
Good job.
I see his wheel.
Perfect. Perfect.
Paano pag jeep yung nasa harapan mo, lagi mo nakita yung gulong?
I'm scared. Anxiety.
Ano mo yung kamay mo? Hindi relax eh.
His wheels were thicker. Because he had
May cover.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, slowly. Handa ka na sa gas. Okay, keep going. Signal light ka ng right. Good job. Dito ka sa train nito, kung lumalabas ka sa middle. Slow down when you turn. Slow down, turn, keep turning. Turn.
I'm turning,
Okay, doon ka sa lane na yun. Lane na yun. Yun. Saan yung silver car? Keep going. No, silver car. Yun. Yung other car. Signal light.
Which light?
Oh, no, that's fine. This is fine. Okay, keep that lane, that left turn lane.
Yung left,
turn lane.
left,
Left
be.
turn lane.
Sorry.
Okay. Slow down. Stop. Keep yourself in the middle lane, girl.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Ako lang nagko-correct sa'yo kasi nakikita ko wala ka sa lane.
All Mr. Lee told me was left, right, left.
Ayun na nga eh. It's okay. Kasi ayoko rin matuto kayong habit na kinakain mo yung lane eh. Kasi pag nasanay ka na nun, mahirap na baguhin.
Tinan mo sa auntie mo.
Tapos ito, makikita mo yung lane na yun, yung paliko.
Sundan mo yun.
Yeah.
Stay, yung lane na yun, yung stripe,
Yeah.
stay, make sure na stay sa left side mo yun ha. Hindi kanan ha. Okay, gets mo?
I think
Keep
so.
it on your left line.
Ooh, does this count as my 50 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Magkakaroon ka ng 20 minutes dito. Siguro mga 30.
Malis tayo ng ay 6 o'clock na tayo. 6 o'clock na, di ba?
Ito, naka-video ako, may oras.
Okay, good.
13 minutes pa lang tayo.
At the same time, nighttime driving, almost nighttime driving na rin to. Okay, go. Slow. Turn your wheel left, turn your wheel left. Keep turning. Okay, stay in this lane na lang. Maintain this lane. Okay. Dito na lang. Doon na tayo sa long way.
Plato na tayo.
Yeah.
Yay, more time for me.
Yeah, it's okay. Baka masanay ka sa gitna ko lang lane.
They said, tell me when you're on the road so I can stay home. Right.
Stay in your lane. Good job. Sa gas. Stay na lang. Kaya mo siya. Ignore him. Sa kakanan siya eh. So, somewhere kakanan sa siguro. At the same time, huwag ka rin masyadong naniniwala. Kasi baka may nakante niya, hindi niya napapansin. So, keep distance. Yeah. the lane. Follow the lane. Huwag mo siya sundan. Follow yung lane mo rito. Yung guhit.
We're turning right?
Yeah.
It's okay. Just follow the lane nga eh. Okay. Oh, lumalagpas ka dito sa lane at pumasok ka dyan. Center. Okay, turn off your signal light.
Oh my gosh.
Dire-diretso lang tayo all throughout.
Diretso ka lang. Oh. Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Gitna ka ng lane yan. Good job. Okay, keep going. Gitna ka ng lane. Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's okay.
Turned yellow.
Yellow na, nakalagpas ka na eh. It's okay. Nag-check ko lang marami ko sa akin.
Oh my gosh, guys, I swear I drive better. Oh.
Sige, pipikit ako.
Good job.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
That was perfect. Okay, good job. Bright naman itong nasa likod natin.
Hey guys. Imagine we see Lullabil's car. Paano kung ako tsaka si Mr. Lee, what if we both step on the gas at the same time? Will we go 2 times faster?
Oh,
Mas masusunod yung sa kanya.
Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. Have you seen that?
going straight.
Wala ka sa lane mo, bebe.
Good job. Speed mo ha, bumibilis ka na.
I'm in the
Keep your
limits.
lane. Yep, keep your lane. Stay in the middle. Yeah, perfect. Good job.
Oh my gosh, there's so many cars.
It's okay. Keep your lane. Okay, signal light left. Check mo yung left. Oh, kung may kotse. Ay, okay lang. Keep your lane. Keep your lane, girl.
Yeah.
Patay mo muna yung signal light mo. Pabayaan mo siya muna sumingin. Okay. Okay, signal light left. Okay, left. Kayo naman dahan-dahan.
Patay signal light.
Okay, turn it off. Good job.
Oh my god.
Okay, stay here.
Bantayan mo lang yung lane mo ha. Dire-diretso ka lang.
Kaya mo lang yung speed mo.
kamay mo, masyadong mahigpit yung hawak.
Para ka lang umakot ng itlog.
Yeah.
Ayun lang.
Brake, brake, brake. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Masyado ka malapit, no?
This is like, no. I see his whole car.
Sabagay, it's okay. Pag tagal-tagal yan, kailangan nakaganon ka kasi dapat eh. Para relax yung kamay mo. Nilalamig ka?
No.
Sige. Para makapag-concentrate ka.
Maybe less sensitive yung pedal niya dahil meron din siya.
Tsaka hindi mo napapansin baka siya pumapreno sa'yo.
No, like I feel it. Like,
Bumababa rin yung...
Yeah.
Oo, bumababa yung pedal. Pumapreno siya. Okay.
I don't know how he does it even when he's on his phone. He like knows.
Gawin ba naman niya buong araw?
Then, keep your lane. Watch your speed. Okay. Keep your lane. Dito ka dyan sa right.
What the heck?
Slow, brake, brake, brake! Brake! Masyado ka lumalapit. Dahan-dahan lang.
I made it.
I know, pero baka magulat kami sa hindi ko makapit. Keep your lane. Pumahan ka sa right. Maintain your speed.
Where do we go after
Just keep going straight. Sa ignition tayo ka. Right.
Step, step, step.
Ito ka mabilis eh. Yung inaano ko sa'yo eh. Masanay kang huwag ganun eh. Malayo pa lang slow down ka na. Ha?
That's what Auntie tells me.
No.
Oh.
Don't do that.
Never mind.
Malayo ka pa lang pumipreno ka na. Kasi pag nag-sudden stop siya lalo na ano, baka hindi ka makapreno.
Oh my gosh, that dude.
There you go. Just keep your distance. Keep your lane. Bakit ka maputi dyan? Keep going. Keep your lane. Going. Pasok ka to sa inner lane.
All
Slow
the
down.
way?
Yep, inner lane, inner lane. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep your distance.
Malalay na sa brake.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Pag kaliwa, wag mo kakainin yung sa right side ha. Diretso ka lang doon sa lane mo.
Sabi ko turn. Ibig sabihin, imikot ka pa ng kabigyan ha. Slow down. Step on the gas. Turn. Step on the gas.
The bags.
Oh,
Turn. Oops.
Oh no.
masyado ka mabilis eh. Tanda ka pag corner.
Sometimes when I turn to the corner, he tells me to go faster.
No, that's how you lose control.
Music makes me lose control.
Good job.
Brake, brake.
Ah! Turn red.
Keep your lane. Keep your lane. Dito ka lang sa right lane. Yeah. Kasi lapit mo lang doon sa side mo. Kita mo.
I'm scared I get too close.
No, malayo yan.
Malayo yan, be. Kasi
Mas matakot ka dito kasi dito kotse mapanggayin mo.
tsaka,
Yan, sidewalk lang yan. Keep going. Good job.
I'm meditating.
Sige lang, keep going.
signal ka na.
Keep going.
I'm scared.
Keep going. Oh, tapos mag-signalize
Signal ka na.
Pasok ka sa lane na yan. Side that lane. Keep turning. Turn. Keep turning. Yan. Okay. Oh, keep your lane. Keep your lane. Yan ka sa lane. Huwag ka lalabas dito pag nasagi ka ng mga kotse rito.
Kabante ka kung konti lang basta mo yung guhit konti.
Okay, tutulong ko sandali. Kita mo itong baba na side mirror mo?
Yeah.
Tapat mo doon sa white line. Tapat mo lang sa white line. Ibig sabihin niya, nasa harap mo yung white line. Nakatapat na ba to? Tapat mo to sa white line. Keep going. No! Yung kotse yung iabante mo.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Turn na. Good. Oh, turn. Slow, turn. Perfect. Turn. Oh, gas.
Good job.
Oh, dito ka. Huwag ka pumapasok
Lane.
sa kanila. Masyado ka naman kumakain dito na naman, no? Tao ah. Slow, girl, slow down. Tsaka huwag ka dito sa lane.
Sa left side ka. May bisita sila.
Slow. Okay. Kabig. Baka mapangkita mo naman yung gulong mo. Kabig mo. Balik mo yung manibela. Return it. Drive. Keep going. Sige pa. Diretso pa pag ano pala. Sorry naman.
Is that good?
Ayan, masyado ka pa malayo. Turn this way. Turn to the right. Sige pa. Mabati ka lang. Dahan. Sige, more.
More?
Yeah. Sige lang. Malayo ka pa. Up, balik. Balik pa ng konti. Sige pa. Tapos abante. Matras ka eh. So, you're
Okay.
going backwards. Keep going straight. Yan, okay. Okay, ngayon, reverse. Pati rin reverse. Brake.
Oh,
Tapa ka sa brake.
Yeah.
Okay, reverse.
Okay, see, this is where I'm confused because I don't know which way it
Yan,
goes.
yan.
This way?
Yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mo tapakan yung gas, bitaw-bitawan mo lang yung preno. Bitaw-bitawan mo lang yung preno. Dahan-dahan. Tapakan mo yung preno, huwag mong bibitawan. Okay.
Is that
Okay,
good?
go forward. Malayo ka pa. Ayun, oh. Malayo pa.
Ah, is that D?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, balik mo yung manibela. Yep. Straight. Manibela mo. Straight mo yung manibela. Keep going a little bit forward. Keep going forward. But diretso mo yung manibela mo, girl.
It is straight.
No, it's not. Ibig sabihin, wala ka sa lane. Tama na. Reverse ulit. Stop mo na. Brake. Okay. Kabig mo muna. Pabayaan mo na may parating na kotse.
This one was easy. Here for me.
Okay, sige, back up. Siguro kasi maliwanag pa kanina. Oh, nalamig kotse. Sige nga. Go. I'll let you do it. Slow. Stop.
Do that.
Sige pa.
More.
Okay. So makikita mo yung itong may cross line. Okay. Stop.
Is that good?
Kabig mo naman yung manibela pa harap. Put it on drive. You have to go this way. Sige pa. Tayo ka pa. Up. Oh, slow down. Stop. Ano natin?
Is that good?
Bante ka pa ng konti.
Oh my god. Wait.
You're right. Tama. Nakadrive ka na. Bante ka. Good.
I
Sige
go
lang. No, it's okay. Para makita mo rin yung ginagawa mo. Yan. Okay, sandali. Andiyan pa ba siya? Alis ba siya? Hindi pa. Okay, reverse ka ulit.
Wait.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, let you do it. Dito mo naman. Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Pwede
Is
na.
that too far?
That's fine. Tingnan natin dito mo. Para makita mo. Ayan, layo mo sa bangketa, oh.
Is that a good thing?
No, ay, kailangan ilapit mo ng konti pa.
Okay.
Kasi matitikitan ka pa rin
Okay.
pagka masyado ka malayo sa bangketa eh. Ay, dito ka. Kaya kailangan mo saan na. Oops. Okay. Okay. Dikit mo. Sige lang, dikit pa. Dikit mo. Preno ka ng konti. Dahan-dahan ka kasi. Ang bilis mo umatras eh. Kaya hindi mo na hindi nakakompensate yun. Okay. Good job. Okay, good.
Is that good?
Yep. Okay, perfect na yan.
Which way do you go?
Now, put ang park, lagay mo na sa park. Tapos kabig mo yung manibela. To the right, to the left pala. Sorry, to the left. All the way. Yan.
And then?
Handbrake. Okay, good job. Turn off the engine.
Thank you.
Is that good?
Yeah, pwede na yan. First
Okay.
time.